Have you hit a weight loss stall on keto? I've got you covered. In this video, I will reveal 5 surprising hacks exclusively for women to break weight loss plateaus so you can reach your goals faster than ever before. If you're new to this channel, my name is Lesya. I help professional women shed fat with a clean keto and carb cycling lifestyle. Weight loss stalls suck. And in this video, I'm going to share 5 hacks I use with my private clients to help you break your stall fast. Make sure to watch the video until the end because I'll be giving you a brand new bonus hack I started using with my female clients, and it's super effective at breaking stalls. I do have to mention this really quickly because I often hear women say that they hit a stall just because they didn't lose any weight on the scale in a week. When I'm working with clients, I don't let them say they hit a stall until they haven't experienced any of the following for 3 weeks straight. Number 1, no weight loss. Number 2, no fat loss. Number 3, no inches lost. Number 4, no reduction in bloat and inflammation. Number 5, no non-scale victories like clothes fitting better, more energy, and feeling lighter. If you can honestly say no to all of these things in the last 3 weeks, you can proceed with these stall busting hacks. Otherwise, you haven't really hit a stall in my book. Quit being a drama queen and be patient. Okay, for the rest of you, I know you want to break your stall, so let's get right into it. Hack number 1 is to switch from net carbs to total carbs. When it comes to tracking your carbs on keto, you might have heard the term net carbs. Net carbs are the total carbs minus the fiber and sugar alcohols in foods. However, sometimes certain types of fiber and sugar alcohols can still spike your blood sugar levels, which can stall your weight loss progress. That's why I recommend switching to total carbs instead. This means you're going to count all the carbs, including fiber and sugar alcohols. By doing this, you can ensure that you're staying within your carb limit and avoid any unwanted spikes in your blood sugar. Sometimes this hack is enough just to break your stall, and if not, move on to hack number 2. Hack number 2 is cut out dairy. I know, I talk about this all the time. While dairy is a great source of healthy fats on keto, some women might be sensitive to it. Dairy products can cause inflammation and digestive issues in some women, which can stall weight loss. Also, dairy products are high in sodium, and excess sodium intake can cause the body to retain and hold on to water weight. When your body retains water, it can result in bloating and an increase in overall body weight, making it difficult to see progress on the scale. If you're experiencing a weight loss stall on keto, it might be worth reducing your dairy intake and monitoring your progress to see if this makes a difference. I've had clients who weren't able to lose any weight for weeks, and once they cut the cheese, they dropped 5 pounds within a week. Hack number 3 is to cut out sweeteners and keto junk foods. While keto-friendly sweets and junk foods can be a great treat once in a while, consuming too many of them can stall weight loss progress. These foods can still spike insulin levels, which can prevent your body from burning fat for fuel. Keto junk foods often contain inflammatory oils such as vegetable oil, canola oil, and soybean oil, which can contribute to water retention, bloating, and weight loss stalls. These oils are also high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause inflammation in the body when consumed in excess. Inflammation could lead to water retention as the body responds to the inflammation by holding on to extra water. Not to mention, many processed keto foods contain artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and additives, which can also contribute to the inflammation and disrupt the body's natural processes. To avoid this, it's best to cut out sweeteners and keto junk foods altogether, or at least limit them to special occasions after you have broken your stall. Hack number 4 is keep your meals within an 8-hour window. By limiting your eating window to 8 hours, you're giving your body more time to burn fat, which can also help break your stall. Intermittent fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity and boost your metabolism. When you fast, your body uses stored fat for energy instead of relying on incoming calories from food. Eating within an 8-hour window will also help you avoid random late-night snacking and eating out of habit, which might be contributing to your stall in the first place. Hack number 5 is to check your cortisol. I know, this hack isn't sexy, but when it comes to weight loss stalls, too much cortisol might be the root reason, and women often ignore it. When you're stressed, your body produces a hormone called cortisol, which can cause a range of issues, including weight gain or a weight loss stall. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone because it's released in response to stress, and it plays an important role in the body's stress response. However, when cortisol levels are consistently elevated, it can lead to severe negative health effects, including weight gain. When cortisol levels are high, your body tends to hold on to fat, particularly in the belly area. This is because cortisol signals your body to store energy in the form of fat, which can lead to weight gain or even a weight loss stall. So, if you're experiencing weight loss stall, it's worth to consider whether stress might be the contributing factor. And for my bonus hack, to break a stall on keto, I recommend a day of cycling back carbs followed by a full fast day. Stalls usually happen because your body adapts to what you're doing, such as keto, and cycling carbs can help break that stall. Carb cycling involves alternating between high carb and low carb days to help prevent your metabolism from slowing down. By having one high carb day a week followed by a fast day, you're going to rev up your metabolism and restart the fat burning fire, so to speak. Don't know why I said that with a twang. Let me know in the comments which hack you're gonna try first. And if you're gonna try the carb cycling approach, make sure to watch my video on how to get started with cycling carbs on keto. I'll see you there.